So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate the main Topshare application appearance, how that varies under different circumstances, and how you navigate around within Topshare. At the top of the form we have the menu area. There's a number of menu sections here which I'm not going to talk about right now, but they're for various applications within the program. And just below that there's the custom tool button area, and this is where you can define your own buttons for particular menu actions that you might find yourself going into quite frequently. So it's there for quick and convenient access to various menu items. Here we have the total valuation of the portfolio and the date at which that valuation applies. In other words, the date of the prices that determine that valuation. And below that there's a button that you'll find yourself using quite frequently, and what that does is goes off to the Yahoo Finance website and downloads the current prices pretty much in real time for the whole portfolio and recalculates the valuations. Next we have the area that you'll be spending a lot of time in. It's the main area for navigating around the various components of Topshare. You'll see that as you pause the mouse over each of these navigation buttons, a little bit of hint text pops up to give you more information about what happens in there. I'm not going to talk about either of these very much in this session, apart from just briefly the first and the last. So the first one is the home display, and you'll see that it shows one record of information for every holding within the portfolio. The last one is system information, and that has a number of things. Firstly, the physical location of your database that holds everything in Topshare. This identification string is something you may need to cut and paste into an email if you're asking us for support. And the main part of this screen is a record of all the actions that went on within this database right back to the very beginning. So this is the appearance of Topshare when you have multiple portfolios defined. You can see we've now got a table towards the top of the form that lists each of the portfolios, a little one-line summary of each one with its current valuation, number of stocks and so on. The other information that was on the previous configuration is still there, the valuations. We've still got the download stock prices button, and we've still got the license information. The portfolio details down the bottom of the form are now updated whenever you select a different portfolio. So that's all that information is there and updated as required. So the final option we're going to display is the setting where you can display optionally some account balances on the main form. So you do this in the settings screen. You need to, having saved that setting, you need to have shut down and then restart Topshare. And you see there's now a panel that includes the current balance of the nominated account. Okay, now I want to show customization of the form. You can drag these two green sizing bars around to reconfigure the amount of space taken up by the different components. And you can sort on any column in any grid, so just by clicking on the column header. You can also resize the columns by dragging the bars, and whenever any of these changes happens, there's a button pops up offering to save customizations, and if you click that, next time you invoke the form, those customizations will be restored. There's also this control here for hiding or displaying any column that's available. Once again, click on Save Customizations to save that arrangement. This mechanism occurs throughout the program, so anywhere you see a grid, holding data, then you can use this same mechanism for customising it.